IBM Z Day brings you a full-blown online learning experience, with 75 plus sessions, 100 plus speakers, and 4 tracks, and it is completely free.
The Modernization Z track is made for the developers and architects community. It doesn't matter if you are at the beginning of your career, or even have no experience yet, or have many years of experience and want to boost your skills and knowledge. The Modernization Z track gives you great insights about everything that Z has to offer for DevOps, app development, and value creation through modernization.
There is a session about how IBM Z in your hybrid cloud strategy can generate additional value, and the cloud experts should not miss this one.
The Modernization Z track offers you a lot of customer voice sessions, where hands-on experience from IBM Z customers will show how value creation and IBM Z go hand in hand.